Greetings YouTubers, another quick video to follow up on my green wire mod. So the green wire mod is to overcome the smart charging system. So in a previous video I showed you how you could remove this cover on this junction box and cut this green wire, and that makes the charging system revert back to just using the internal voltage regulator in the alternator and keeping the voltage at around just over 14 volts. So what I've actually done is I've cut that green wire and put some spade terminals on it, so I can just join that back together and go completely back to factory if I want. But I've run a wire between it through this conduit, back through the firewall into the cabin, to the switch. So that switch now, I can switch between the smart alternator system or just switch it and go back to the regular charging system. So, you know, during the week while I'm driving to work and I want to get good fuel economy, I'll leave it on the smart system, and then on the weekends when I'm using the fridge or camping or whatever, I'll switch it over so it's just reverting back to a traditional style charging system, which will mean my voltage sensing relay dual battery system will work and stay closed so that the battery gets charged. That said, I don't know that it actually saves that much fuel. I haven't done it long enough to really work it out. I'll see over the next couple of months. I might do another video on it, see how it goes, if it is getting better fuel consumption. Cool, that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll be having further videos in the future about putting in a DC to DC charger, how that's all wired up, how that's working. If there's anything you'd like to see a video on, leave it in the comments and I'll try and make it. Thank you.